at ID90 counter. Bag, 7 kg. Yes. They're very strict here. So, don't take a chance. Ako nga late eh. Ano kung gate number? Training kami, training. What is your flight number? Hala, saan ka pupunta? Wow, na all. Still waiting for our clearance. Bye-bye. Only 2 hours. Waiting for clearance. Good shot. We have landed at Dongwon International Airport Terminal 1. Naku, ang tagal niya mag-cellphone, hindi niya maano yung picture. Photos. And so the immigration was so fast. And we're going to our baggage claim. Welcome to Thailand. Grabe, so smooth flight. Less than 2 hours, and then immigration is so fast, bag is so fast. So we already have our roaming, so we're not gonna buy SIM, but we will take. Sino ang maswerteng ATM? Ito na lang. Welcoming committee. Galing. So we just dropped the bags and proceed to our journey. Yan. This is the correct one. Mochit. Yay! Alam mo, tik pa magkamali. So we have to take BTS. Mochit. Not Chatuchak. MRT. 47 pa. Train. Then station and then transfer. Right, so Siam. Baba sa Siam, then lipat lang sa kabila. Bangwa. Meron naman siya. Paingada. Charot. Hello, everybody. Iba-iba sila ng price. Ayan, so may option ka naman sa taas. For the sunog na naman kami doon sa tanghali. Ganun? It's a no. No. This is what river? Chao Phraya. Alala. Fairness. The Peninsula Bangkok. Kasabay natin. Tayo nandito tayo sa low cost. Charot. Wala masyado tao. Ay, ayun na pala sila. Speaking of, lighting to Wat Arun. Init, Wat Arun. Yes, and we reach. Ayun kay ate. May ano. Yan. Dad, gusto kong mag-eating. Charot. Yung hari naging puma yung sapatos. Look. So ito, nasa loob kasi siya eh. But it's so nice and AC, air conditioned. Hi guys! guys, andito tayo sa Wat Arun Temple and medyo looban ng Kalahati but it's really nice. They have good selection at siguro dahil nga nasa looban sila din man masyadong napupuntahan pa, so nice and good. 150 baht only, 50 for accessories. Hello! So now we have a photographer. They know how to pose. Oh, di mainit pa yan. Ay! Emotions. And then Puma. So nice. It's so nice here. They have electric fans also. And they will give you the pose. They will give you it. Hindi natin alam to. Tara. It's very hot. But worth it to take a photographer because yeah, you're gonna go here only once and you're gonna put everything all together once, so just take the photographer because they have professional spots and they know where to pose you. Like for us, she knows the places we're in is not very hot. Order ni Grita na naman. Siguro isa sa mga tips na mabibigay natin siyan ay ganda niyo yung shoes nyo. Tingnan mo ko flat with very nice. Because if not, tadan! Kita siya.
Ano po yung sapatos?
Shoes. Lagot. So inside, there's no food. But outside, yung, ano ba to? Land entrance. Parang land entrance siya eh. Not the water one. The water one, no. Nothing. Wow! What's your food? Yan! Krapaw! Wow! Nagkamali kami. Ito 10 baht lang ko. Doon mga 30, 40. Ito 10 lang. Let's go! Pero madaming tao syempre. 10 baht lang. Hindi na may pa 40 pa tayo. Di ba yun? Wow. Ang laki. Madamay sa Songkran truck. Baba, ready ka ba? Kain na naman. Thai food. What did you order? Bayan. Sarap. Finally, sa mall. Init sa labas eh. Pad Krapaw. Hindi ako natira ni Dad kanina. Sobrang gutom yan. Dad? Kamusta lang? Kakaiba lasa. May likap. Ay, tom yum. Hindi pa tayo nakakain eh. So, yan. Fusion. Rice siya na tom yum. Kasi gusto niya mag-rice daw. Ako naman. Bye. Manibago lang. Dad, sarap ko yun. Hindi naman siya masyadong tom yum, tsaka hindi nila inahangan. Kasi sabi mo hindi ko kumakain. Ito rin, hindi masyadong maanghang yung Pad Krapaw pa. Dahil hindi na ko natikman kanina, gawa ni Dad. O, Dad, tikman mo to. Pad Krapaw. Ito. Tapos lagyan niya ng ano. Ay, pinabula. Alin mas masarap? Pareho lang. Kain. Dad, eating mango chicken rice. Ano natin? Alam ko pwede na.
Yun.
May coconut. Sarap. Ito yung ano, parang sauce dad. May alat, may tamis, may coconut. Yan ang mga gusto ko like. Meron din tayo mga Thai restaurant sa Pilipinas. So, hindi naman lahat, pero mostly. Like, meron talagang kakaibang Masyadong makokonat yung lasa. Kaya naglalasang biko, yung parang bigas or whatever. Hindi ganun. Yung totoong sticks. Souvenirs natin dyan. 50 baht for the magnet. Okay. Finally. So, finally, we reached. Meron pa siyang malaking fridge. Mini kitchen, dining, and of course, toilet. So, ang sarap ng massage. Sobrang masarap. Nanantok na ako. Hindi ko talaga kaya. Good night, everyone. Wow, look pa. Bago matulog. Mufasa. Black chug. Ready for shuttle. Go to airport. Done! No reaction. Yes, with airport shuttle. Beautiful. Beautiful. Shuttle bus. Safe travels. Bye-bye. Right, so one of the walking distance is Amari. And then it's right straight to AirAsia. Wow, thank you. Yan. Video talaga yan, Dad. Dad, video talaga yan. Gutom na yan si Dad. Dali ka na nga, kain na tayo. Done, bags drop. In Bangkok.
Very good. I enjoy it very much.
Great. Alright, so kain muna tayo before we go home. Busy si Dad. Grabe, ang saya dito. Sobrang bilis ng service. Pwede kang kahit nagmamadali ka. Asian court. They have Japanese also. Chinese. Grabe, ang sarap talaga. Kahit gusto ko yan saan mag-rice, kaso lang pad thai talaga is my favorite eh. Sa char. How was your food, Doc? With rice. Sa akin, ang sarap grabe ng pad thai. Tapos, ang laki pa. And of course, mango sticky rice. Okay, dito sa Asian corner. Halos same price naman sila eh. Sarap talaga ng pad thai. No joke. Or baka ako lang. Nasasarap ako sa pad thai. Ako favorite ko yung pad thai. There's space for mango sticky rice. I love that. Ay, cool. Nakalagay na siya sa ganito. Because sobrang busog. Sobrang sarap. Inisip ko i-take out na lang pero hindi na kailangan dahil naka-take out na siya. Nice view. I love it. Coming back soon. Oh, sad na. Sad na ka. Uwi na. Next time again?
Next time again.
Okay. Krabi.
Saan ang Krabi?
Malapit lang din. EP Island. Kahit saan na lang. Bye-bye, Thailand. See you again, Thailand.